When you look at fund performance, you will see two common metrics. Let's look at how rolling and trailing returns tell different stories. Both metrics show how an investment performed, but they use different windows to show you the full picture. Trailing returns look at a fixed block of time ending today. Rolling returns look at every possible period of a certain length within a timeframe. Trailing returns are easy to read but can be skewed by a single bad or good year. Rolling returns show the average experience over time. Use trailing returns when you want a quick pulse check on how an investment performed relative to the recent market environment. Rolling returns are better for long-term investors who care more about consistency and risk than just the latest year of gains. By looking at rolling returns, you avoid the trap of picking a fund just because it had a great year ending exactly today. Remember, no single metric predicts the future. Use both to get a clearer view of how your investments behave. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand your portfolio better, like and subscribe for more finance basics.